In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can download Blender on Mac. So step number one will be to head over to a browser and then you want to search for Blender. Once we search for Blender, you simply want to click on blender.org at the top of the page, the top search result, and then you want to go to the top right hand corner, click on download. And then once we select download, it should then automatically bring up whatever device you are using. If not, you can go down to the drop down menu and then you can click on whichever one that you need and whichever device you are using. Now, as you can see, I will click on download Blender for macOS Apple Silicon. Click on this, the download will then start in the top right hand corner. Now this is quite big, so it will depend on how fast your internet speed is to how fast it downloads. And then once it's done, we can then click on it to open it up. So once we click on our download, as you can see, Blender will now have downloaded, and then you just simply need to click and drag this into our applications. And then once we drop it into our applications, you will then be able to open it. So if we go ahead and search for Blender, Blender will then open up on our Mac. So as you can see, this is the latest version of Blender on macOS. So you can then go ahead and start using this as you would normally on any other device.